ताजेर येयला पळय ते. सो तेजे बाबतीन तुमची भुमिका कितें पंचायतीची?
I have written to the deputy collector and collector. Now we have already issued this, and whoever it is responsible, action has to be taken under disaster management, because it is going to cause a lot of problem for those houses and those people, for our villages. So action has to be taken.
एक कोणाच्या घराक कितें तरी इश्यू हें जाला म्हणटा तो इफेक्ट जाला म्हणटा कंपाउंड वाला कितें
Compound wall, yes, Samson, their
so
full
that
wall has collapsed.
collapsed and
Yes,
the
because
family
it has come with a lot of pressure. The water has come along with mud, and it has blocked their wall. Compound wall has
कंपाउंड वॉल
has
फॉलन
collapsed.
अंडर
Fully collapsed. Yes.
तर आनी ती हुंय आतां सद्याक कितें तरी शिफ्ट केल्या म्हणटा तांकां
Both are senior citizens, so they have been shifted out from their house, which is a very unfortunate incident. It should not happen, but their family has been here.
Citizen communal property also.
Hello?
शिवेन, तू ट्रॅकिंग येतलो काय ना? येऊन जाय. ना जाल्यार आतां थिंगा वयर ट्रॅक करूया आमी. पळय किलो. ही माती एकठांय जाली आं. ही माती एकठांय जाल्या वयल्यान. ती माती लोड येतलो कंपाउंड वयतलो.
Inflammation सगळ्यांक जावन बिकॉज लोकल्स आसा ते रावता तांकां फाल्यां कितें जालें जाल्यार वी आर ऑल रिस्पॉन्सिबल ते सगळे एज अ रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह वी आर ऑल रिस्पॉन्सिबल आमी एक्शन घेवना म्हणटा सो यू हॅव टू रायट
We have already
सगळे
written, and
लोकल्सांची ऑलरेडी लेटर येयल्ली आसा आतां
yes,
दॅट डे आय गॉट ऑन फ्रायडे
yeah.
फ्रायडे तेंच्यानी लेटर दिला की उदक माती येता म्हणून बट
We have
दीस
also
वॉज लॉंग इन जानेवारी and only because he's the MLA you all are not acting. I am telling it on straightforward. Let people listen. Only because he is a MLA you all are not acting of ruling party. तांकां लॉ दुसरो आनी आमकां लॉ दुसरो म्हणजे लोकांक लॉ दुसरो लागला करेक्ट ना असली लँड फिलिंग समज केल्ली नाल्यार तुमची कितें आसा प्रोसेस
आमकां कळ्ळें ती जेसीबी हिंगा आयली ती आतां थिंगा माती पेमेंट दियलें पळय माती पयलें आनी हें खंय करून दिता रे तें वयलो फ्लो येता न्हू
No, we will say, not help.
ही आता तुम्ही पळयात हिंगा JCB माती काडटा सो माती काडटा ती बरी आहा एंड द अदर वेज तुम्ही पळयत जाल्यार तो रोड डॅमेज करता सो टार रोड आहा तो ती JCB माती घालून टार रोड हिंगा डॅमेज जाता सो आता हो प्रोसिजर प्रॉपर प्रोसिजर हिंगा कांयच ना माती काडटा ती आहा पूण रोड डॅमेज करून उडयता सो आता हे कोणे केल्ले आनी कोणाक हें करचें पडटा भोगचें पडटा ते पळय लोकांच्या घरांनी हिंगा उदक गेलें लोकांची कंपाउंडां हिंगा मोडली आनी आतां तेज्या उपरांत हिंगा रस्तो डॅमेज जावन वयता मॅडम एज अ पंच आतां तुमी हिंची पंच तुमकां खबर आसा हें हिल फिलींग खंय जालां पळय तें
आता वयर जाला न्हू
सो वयर जालां तेजेर पंचायतीन कितें एक्शन घेतलेलें
आता पंचायती कंप्लीट केला आमी तेंची कंप्लीट केला आसा
सो ना म्हणजे तो फिलींग करता पळय तेन्ना तुमी पंचायतीन बा कितें तेजें आडयलेलें बा कितें
तेव्हा पहिले आडयले तेंचे
कोणे आडयलेले?
गौतमान सगळे जेसीबी घालून सगळं बंद केल्ले
गौतमान JCB घेवन तेजें हें
बंद केल्ले मग माती घातलेली थंय वयर
ना ना तो हें हिल फिलिंग करता पळय तेन्ना तुमी पंचायतीन हाडयलेले बंद केल्ले तेजे
तेजी वयर बंद केल्ले आमी
केन्ना केल्ले तुमी ते
गेले फाटी केल्ले तेजी बंद केल्ले आमी
कित्याक म्हणून इल्लिगल ओ लिगल ते केल्ले तेणे
ते म्हाका काय खबर ना तेजे लिगल आहा कितें आहा नको तेजे
तुमी आतां इंची पंच न्हू
पंच हांव सगळे तूं हांव पळोवंक शकना न्हू वचना हांव थिंगा
ना हे आतां माती येयली आनी ती तुमच्या वॉर्डान येयली ती तुमकां
तेणी बंद करूंक जाय न्हू
ना तुमी सांगना आसतना ते कशें बंद करतले
आमी कंप्लेंट केल्ली आहा तेजी ऑलरेडी
खंयूय केल्ली कंप्लेन
पंचायती केल्ली आहा तेजी
मागीर पंचायतीन कितें एक्शन घेतल्या
तेका सांगला तो आपयला न्हू अजून येवून नासतलो तो
आतां कितले 3 म्हयने जाले आतां हें केल्या तेणे फील केलें अजून येवंक ना तो
अजून येवून ना ते कंप्लेंट आमी पयला पंचायत मिटींगे गेल्ले तेन्ना तेजी येयली आसा आतां पळोवया कितें करता आतां आपयला तेका
ना तो कितें करता म्हणजे आतां लोकांक आतां तेजे कंपाऊंड वॉल तेंचे कंपाऊंड वॉल मोडला
आमी बी माती काडटा
ना तेंचे आतां कंपाऊंड वॉल मोडला ते पंचायत बांदून दितली
कंप्लेंट वयतले हांव आतां परत पंचायतीत
ना पंचायत बांदून दितली तेजे आतां कंपाऊंड वॉल
कंप्लेंट पंचायतीत
आनी लोकांच्या घरांनी बा आतां उदक गेलां गॅरेजीन उदक गेलां ती डॅमेज बा
पळयता आतां वयता
ती डॅमेज बा पंचायत पे हें करतली
पंचायती वयता हांव आतां
ना वयता म्हण मागीर पंचायत पे हें करतली काय म्हणटा तेंची डॅमेज
कंप्लेंट तेणी करूं जाय न्हू पंचायतीत कंप्लेंट करूं जाय तेजी वॉल मोडल्या न्हू तेणी कंप्लेंट करूं जाय आतां वचून पंचायतीत
तेणी
पंचायतीन कितें तुमी पळयला न्हू थंय तुमचे थोडे
हय
फुडें
सर,
आहा न्हू
आमी
एज अ
पळयला पूण आतां तेणी करूं जाय न्हू हांव वयतलें आतां
ओनू ते अशें आमचे सगळे कंप्लीट हे पिड्ड्यार जावन ड्रेनेजी हे पळय यो भितर यो आवय कशी रान हांव आतां कशी रांदतली हांगर पळय सगळे हे केलां हांवें आतां वरांडान किचन हे शिफ्ट केला अशें केन्नाच जालें ना वंडी गे पळय बुराक खाल्ले सगळ्यो ड्रेनेजी म्हणून आसा तितक्यो पॅक जाल्या ती इतकी माती चिवट जाणा सिमीट सुद्दां येना बरें तेज्या पायट ती माती ती खंयची आसा आनी कितें आसा तें आमकां कांय खबर ना 3 फावटी जाले अशें म्हणल्यार अशें हे फर्स्ट टायम जाला हे पळय दारान आमी आतां कोण बरी ना जाल्यार गाडी भायर काडून आमकां हॉस्पिटलान सुद्दां व्हरोंक हांगा चान्स ना तुमीच येवन पळया चड करून आमच्या सीएमान येवन आमच्या गांवान एक विजीट करचे अशी म्हाजी इच्छा आसा न्ही आसल्यो पळय ह्या गांवकार वाड्यार ती आतां सगळ्यो मातयेन इतकी माती चिकट आसा न्हू सामकी माती लोकांचे सगळे ड्रेनीनी पॅक जाल्या आनी आमच्या घरान आतां सद्या आमकां रांदतले जाल्यार जागो ना किचनान आमच्या उदीक भरला येवन जाय जाल्यार पळया तुमी आनी हांव आतां इबो फाटल्यान वरांडान रांदता पळया आनी आतां आमचें घर सुद्दां मोडात म्हणून सांगूंक नजो कोणा ही सकयली घरां केन्ना मोडात ती सांगूंक नजो अशें उदीक ही आतां तिसरी फावट हो एंथणी आनी हो सामको रेड एक अशें काम केलें हेंच्यांनी 3 ना आयज तेंचे कडेन जायना हें करूचा कळ्ळें न्हू आनी तिसरो गौतम येयलो मातसो सेवाल घेवन तेणें काडलें आनी उरलेले हे दोगांयनी भुरग्यांनी काडला विजीट करा पळया कितें जालां तेका हे पळय इतकें उदीक आसा आमगेर आतां घरान
madam, now your compound wall is collapsed. So it is due to this problem, right?
Yes, this is my brother's house.
Yeah.
Okay, the entire water, okay, entered the house with the mud and all the silt and everything. The entire compound wall is gone, and a lot of mud. I think a truck full of mud has entered the.
In your compound?
Yeah, in the compound. Okay, damaging the entire thing, all the things around it. So this is very bad. What is happening? We need to stop that. Yes, please come.
Had built a wall which collapsed last year, and the Panchayat nor TCP has given him permission to repair it, and he says he is helpless, he cannot do anything about it as of now.
No, but what the land, this hill is filled, it was legal or illegal?
We don't know. We
If
don't
it's
know.
illegal, the
They
TCP
say
would
he's
have
an
given the
MLA
permission.
and he has done it. We don't know whether it is legal or illegal. We are not aware of it.
Legal or illegal, the panchayat body should inquire about it because they are the people who goes for inspection everywhere. So now for this matter also, this issue also, they should also come into it and look into all the matters of the paperwork, whatever paperwork they have, because we don't go to check the paperwork. So it is the panchayat body, they should understand, and they should understand the people's problem actually. And actually our Kudka village is a so beautiful village. Spring waters flows actually here in Kudka. But this is, if you see the condition right now, it is really bad, horrible.
And this is the first year we are facing this kind of an issue. all because of the land filling.
तुम्ही पळयलां आसतलें, यू मायट हॅव सीन फोन जातकूच तुमकां सिच्युएशन कळचें जाता कितें जालां तें. दिस इज अ रोड, थार रोड एक्चुअली. सो नाव इट हॅज बिकम अ मड रोड. इट लुक्स लायक अ फील्ड और समथींग लायक दॅट. आतां कितें म्हणपाचें, कोणें तरी कितें तरी हिलाचेर कितें हिल कटिंग केला काय हिल फिलिंग केला खबर ना, बट इट समवन डीड सम डॅमेज देर. बट वी आर फेसिंग, वी ऑल द रेजिडेंट्स ऑफ कुर्का गांवकार वाडो is facing the problem, and the compound wall is been collapsed, well is been damaged, the houses, the mud is been entering. Who will pay for this damage and all? So it is not stopped now, because it will happen more, because the rain will not stop in 1 or 2 days. It will go up till, I think so, it will go up till October also. So all the residents are facing, October, November, all residents are facing problem, and this is what it is. So some solution, I don't know what is happening. So it's really sad, it's really bad and sad also. So this is what.
मॅडम तुम्ही हेच रावता, तुमकां हो पयली पावटी जालें की एवरी इयर जाता असलो?
Every year we have never had a problem. We are residents from childhood here. It has only happened this year because of the land filling that has taken place on the hill and done by Rudolph. Rudolph has filled that land with no wall there.
Rudolph
and
Santa
all-
Cruz MLA.
Santa Cruz MLA. And we are facing a problem. My brother is handicapped. All his house, the compound is full of mud, and that is creating a havoc for us all throughout. And this is not today and yesterday. It has been happening throughout from the start of the monsoon, and it is going to continue if no permanent solution is taken care of.
What about Panchayat? Did you
We have informed the Panchayat. I wrote a letter to Viresh Borkar and to the Panchayat, but no solution has come forth till date.
आणि ह्या ज्या गावान आता ते तुम्ही दिसता माती जे भरल्या ओवर अ पिरियड टाइम जाला.
सगळी पळय कसली जमीनची. हांगा तुका एक ड्रेनेज सोदून गावची ना आसा म्हणून. पयलीं आसल्यो पळय तितक्यो ड्रेनेजी काबार जाल्या, अश्यो जाल्या, हे अशें रेवेच्या काय टिले येवन पडल्या.
No, it's a private property, right? And this is Kumunda.
Yeah, so but the private property owner.
But will he remove it? What we are saying,
if he says I'm not removing it, somebody should have the authority to instruct him to
No,
remove it,
disaster
right?
management authority can instruct. That will move the process. It is not an issue.
but
District
you
disaster management. I am writing to district disaster management authority.
Okay.
But how long the process? Because meanwhile, because it has to be done.
No, we'll write right away. Today.
Right away.
Yeah. This is disaster.
But
no, we
yeah,
can't
I know.
take
But
it.
how long? What is the long? How long is the process?
No,
1
it
day,
will be
2
done
days, 3
immediately.
days, or 1 month?
No. It won't take a month. It will be done prior to.
Because one compound wall has
Correct,
gone.
correct.
But tomorrow one more will go. Day after tomorrow one more will go.
Take 1 month.
So see, our panchayat is like they are there. The MLA is also there, and whatever the local politicians are, they are also there. But
No, it will happen.
being they are coming there, but the solution is like the person who is, I don't know who is the owner of it. He needs to come and see, and he needs to come out and.
issue directions to the collector. Right? That is
But
more
how long? 8 days?
Yeah, it will take less than that. I think.
Less than days.
But overnight this thing can collapse and.
No, that is correct. But
And
see, in
we-
these
we-
rains now, to touch it also is very
Kennedy Lake or
difficult,
Hadi,
right?
sir. Full.
Touch it
This
now.
much the
But
mud
then
has
if
come.
suppose the
See, it
houses
should
get
not-
destroyed down, who is going to take responsibility for that? Somebody
But
has to
some,
do it.
see, some is in communal property also. They also check, right? Because this method
We
had
checked, we
highlighted it in January now. Today we are in July. So almost 6 months.
No, but
elapsed
what
now.
action can the Komnida take on him? We can't take any action, right? It has to be the authority,
But
right? Somebody has illegally encroached in our property.
So you all have
We
written
are
to
not the authority to take action
No, you
against
all had
him.
written to administrator about it.
Yes,
that
yes.
some
Once again, I am not too familiar with the case. I'll
You
just
came
wait for
in
the action.
January, you said, correct?
Correct.
So it took from January, now we are in July. So it is now 7 months.
I was not there.
Okay. But the assurance you are giving us that it will take less than 8 days.
I will see my phone is nothing.
Within a day. So the letter will go to him.
Collector is the public authority to the direction. Collector is the chairperson of the district disaster management.
Okay.
So and Mamladar, my duty is to report the issue, report that to the collector.
And from there, the directions will be given.
Yes, directions will be. Directly we are having.
मला मेन कितें आसा तुमी आनी पंचायती दोगांनी डायरेक्शन दिवपाक जाय कोणूय असो तो आनी हांव सांगता नांव कोणाचें आमकांय खबर आसा तुकाय खबर आसा कोण तो रुदल फेर्नांडीस तेज्या नांवार आसा तेज्या बायलेच्या नांवार आसा ही प्रॉपर्टी लँड फिलींग केल्या हेज्या पयलीं आमी हांगा येवन गेल्ले ही द MLA ऑफ सांताक्रूज ओके तें तुमकां खबर आसा सो MLA म्हणून ताणें हें करपाक जाय हांगा डिजास्टर जाल्यार सगळ्यांची घरां म्हणून वयतली आनी तेन्नाय हें सांगलेलें एसेंब्लीनूय काडलेलें एसेंब्लीनूय मांडलेलें तरी पूण आतां कितें जालें तें तुमकां खबर आसा आनी हेजे फुडें आनीक जातलें फॉर नेक्स्ट 1 मंथ ऑर मोर दॅन 2-3 मंथ्स कंटिन्युअस रेनफॉल वील बी देयर आनी तेन्ना कोणाचें कॉलॅप्स जायत कितें जायत नेम ना आतां ऑलरेडी कंपाऊंड वॉल कॉलॅप्स जाल्या तशी बाकीच्यांची कोणाची घरां आनी कितें कॉलॅप्स जायत गॅरंटी ना बट तुमी डिजास्टर एज अ डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट थ्रू द कलेक्टर यू हॅव टू गिव द डायरेक्शन टू टेक अवे द मड इतलो मड घातला ऑलमोस्ट 3,800 स्क्वेअर मीटर वी हॅव मेजर्ड इट along with mining department, along with your TCP department have given a report that they don't have any problem. Take a permission घेवपाक गरज ना. This is the report from the TCP department. So you all have to give a direction because there will be a biggest disaster over here in Santandre. No, today itself you have to process and you have to stop this and you have to reclaim the land as per the act. As per the disaster management act, you have to reclaim the land. You all have not done anything after that, like reclamation, nothing you all have done. And he can't construct a retaining wall, that's what I am telling you, because retaining wall बांधले नाल्यार परत आनी collapse जातलो. Retaining wall more than 20 meters retaining wall थंय सस्टेन जावपाची ना. पावस पडटलो सकयल उदक वयतलें आनी आख्खी retaining wall collapse जाता आनी व्हडलो disaster जातलो. सो retaining wall फाल्यां तो बांदतलो आनी कितें म्हणटलो कित्याक ऑलरेडी तेंणी इनलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन केलां, इनलिगल घातलां तेंणी डंपिंग केलां. So all the departments should be liable. And what जो mud हाडला पळय it is of smart city. You all have to investigate how we can get this mud. What investigation you all have done? Nothing. Any investigation is done? From where he has brought this mud? सगळी रेंव माती आसा आख्खी पणजे स्मार्ट सिटीची माती ती आनी ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांचेर इन्वेस्टिगेशन जावपाक जाय हाव दे कॅन गिव this mud over here. So I have written to you all long back in January itself and सगळे डिपार्टमेंटाक बरयला but till now the action has not been taken. You all have issued a notice, that's it. After that nothing has been done. आता हो disaster it is in the making. We have seen केन्ना कितें म्हणून वचत नेम ना आनी हें सगळे कडेन जाता हांगाच न्हू ऑल ओवर गोवा हें चालू आसा कोण लँड फिलींग करता कोण हिल कटींग करता चालूच आसा सो अशें समज जाल्यार ह्या डिजास्टर टायमार अशें जाता इश्यू जाता सो तुमचो एक्शन सारको आसलो आय विल स्पीक टू द कलेक्टर एज वेल आय विल स्पीक टू द रेव्हेन्यू सेक्रेटरी एज वेल आनी मिनिस्टराक उलयता रेव्हेन्यूचो आतां तेंचें कितें भितूर भितर आसा हांव नको पण हांव उलयतलो मिनिस्टरा कडेन आनी तेंकांय सांगतलो तेंकां कळपाक जाय कितें लँड फिलींग आसा ती आय वॉन्ट द एंटायर रिपोर्ट बाय टुमॉरो इटसेल्फ आनी कोणान माती खंयची माती हाडल्या पळय तो रिपोर्ट म्हाका पयलो जाय इट इज बारीक ना ती 3,800 स्क्वेअर मीटर एरिया प्लस हायट इज ऑलमोस्ट 20 हायट मिटराची आसा सो इतली एरियान तूं माती घालता खंयची माती हाडटा हें कांय ना आय विल स्पीक टू द कलेक्टर बिकॉज कलेक्टर इज लायबल टू गेट दीस डन आनी स्कूल लँड सगळी माती आसा ती हांगां काडपाक लावपाची नाल्यार ती तूं कितलोय हें कर सकयल तूं शेवाळे घाल तूं ट्रक हाड आनी कितें कर ती माती स्टॉप जावपाची ना माती वयतली आनी त्या दिसाच सांगलेलें माती वयतली म्हणून देवतली म्हणून एक माडाची हायट आसा थंय माड आसा तो माडाच्या हायटीचेर आसा तुवें पळयला मेजरमेंट पासून काडटा आसतना पळयला बट डिपार्टमेंट आतां TCP डिपार्टमेंटान रिपोर्ट कितें दिला तांकां काय लागना म्हणून यू हॅव टू रायट टू देम
ना आमी फॉरवर्ड केल्ले सर
ना फॉरवर्ड न्हू तुमी रायट हें करपाक जाय एज पर माय कंप्लेन वीच आय मेन्शन ऑन जानेवारी त्या कंप्लेनी प्रमाणे तुमी बरोवंक जाय तांकां कितें रिपोर्ट दिला एज पर एक्ट ताका तो लागत ना तांकां ते म्हणटा लँड फिलींग न्हूच म्हणून यू कांट सी दीस येदो व्हडलो लँड फिलींग केला आनी लँड फिलींग न्हू एक आमदार आसा म्हणून ताका सोडप आनी कॉमन मनशाक तुमी एक्शन घेता रोखडे यू ऑल आर गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट the collector is also government servant. You have to act on this. Also the panchayat have to act on this.
No, I don't know what to say like this. It is good at this.
So where the water is come from?
Water has come from there, no?
And this mud?
From the road. Okay.
So it went inside in your garage too?
And it's gone to the garage. The garage is full here, see? You cannot step into the garage. Who's going to take all this out and who's going to pay for it? Looks like see that hole also completely blocked, you know. We had to take it out by ourselves, but we wanted to go.
आम्ही नको रे पण फुल वॉल पडल्या आम्ही रामा एक म्हाका सांग ते सायडीन ड्रेनेज मारपा
Their compound wall is gone, huh? What is? The first compound wall is gone. Go see inside. Go and see the 2,000. Go and see. Go and see.